Mi nombre es Mildred Cercea y yo soy un oso de Missouri State. I've always grown up around so many different languages. When I learned Arabic and when I learned French, I felt like I was learning about a whole different world. It opens up your world to a completely different culture, a completely different people, a completely different way of thinking. It makes you a more open-minded, a more caring person because you have to learn to love the people and love the cultures. It gives you a greater sense of appreciation, I guess, yeah.